Well, hello everybody. How's everybody doing today? I got a review, another taste test review for everybody today. I found these in the store. These Rice Krispie treats, poppers. Got the chocolatey, and the vanilla cream. Um, these are new. I've never tried them. I always like Rice Krispie treats. We used to make them all the time. Uh, I seen these in the store. I thought, let's give them a try. Let's start out with the chocolate first. Let's start out with this chocolate. Nice, easy open bag. So let's try these out. See what they taste like. The bag is kind of There we go. It's a tough bag to open there. Here we go. Sorry about that. It's got a Ziploc bag on it. A Ziploc bag. So let's try these out. Wee little tiny little pieces, these miniatures. Actually pretty good. These ones are pretty good, these chocolate ones. Let's try the vanilla cream. Let's try the vanilla cream. There we go. Open them up easier. As you can see, they're little. Good. Not bad. Out of the two, I actually like the chocolate better. But other than that, not bad. Not bad. They're pretty good. It ain't something I would get all the time, but I like these chocolate ones. These vanilla ones, not quite. So, not as good. The vanilla cream's not as good, but I like the chocolate. I think the chocolate tastes a lot better out of the two. So, just wanted to give these a try. Rice Krispie treat poppers. Like I said, the chocolate ones are better. They're pretty good. But these ones, not as good. They're kind of on a, they're kind of like, I don't know. I just don't care for the vanilla cream as much. But these ones are really good. You can get these at the grocery stores. You know, you can buy them at any grocery store. I saw them in the grocery store close to where I live at. So, get a chance, have to get, try them. People might like these vanilla ones, but I don't care much for the vanilla as I do the chocolate. The chocolate's the best. So, this is all for this. I picked the chocolate, but this is all for this taste test review. So, everybody have a good day or good evening or wherever you're from. I know I got subscribers from different parts of the country, different parts of the world. So I appreciate everybody, and working on that appreciation, for my subscribers. So I'm working on that, and I'm gonna be doing the demo on the perfect burger press. So I'm going to do a demo on that one day when I'm able to. So I'll do that. So keeping the stream alive for this roller skate dancing talent as well too. Yeah, get on back on season 15 America's Got Talent. So I'm glad, everybody enjoys these. But the chocolate's the best. So out of these two. So like I said, everybody have a good one. Thanks for everything and your support. Have a good one. Bye-bye.